Another region I wanted to show for the pin and stretch technique was on the hamstring. So just like before with the glute, you are just going to kind of palpate, find the tight areas of the muscle, and then I'm just going to pin it down, particularly at the insertion of the muscle. I'm going to bring the leg up to flex the knee, and then as I lower the leg down slowly, I'm just going to glide my elbow along the tissue, kind of just working my way up towards the origin of the hamstring. And when her leg is fully down like this, I'm going to bring it back up, pin again, and then lower back down, and continue to glide up. And this is a really good way to get rid of some built up adhesions and muscle stuckness. And that's just where the fascia is kind of tight and it just can kind of hold on to the tissues. So with this, I'm just pinning it down and then allowing, with the compression that I'm doing, the compression just allows the fascia to release. Doesn't really have any room to go, so I'm just allowing it to help it to stretch more as I'm gliding and compressing. And with this final segment of Stretch Sundays, I would like to cap it off by showing you a pin and stretch of the calf muscle as well. So I'm just gonna support her knee from here and then just bring her leg out like this. So her knee stay supported with the table, and then the rest of her lower leg is going to be against my body. I'm going to just go in between my pelvis and my belly button here, and then I'm just gonna lean forward so her calf gets that full stretch. And then, so I'm just gonna stretch it this way first, just to kind of feel the resistance of her calf. And then with a pin and stretch, I'm just gonna pin her tissues again, and then I'm just gonna take her foot from plantar flexion into dorsiflexion, because it allows the muscle to stretch as you move her ankle from here to here. And once again, I'm just pinning the tissues and stretching. Just going from the origin to the insertion, kind of holding it for like 3 to 5 seconds or so. And that should feel really good, especially along this bottom part towards the heel. And then with this, I'm just doing some nice Achilles work here. Like before, I have her foot on my pelvis and my belly button. I'm just kind of leaning in to stretch the calf, and I'm just really working that Achilles tendon up towards the calf and kind of coming back down. Doing some crushed fiber friction. That's really good for tendons and for ligaments, to break up adhesions that may be amongst the muscles and the tendons. And I'm just doing some stripping and some gliding as well.